thunderstorm warning for southern Juneau County in central Wisconsin, eastern Vernon County in southwestern Wisconsin, Richland County in southwestern Wisconsin, southern Adams County in central Wisconsin, until 8 p.m. At 6:58 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Necedah to 7 miles northwest of Elroy to near Westby, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Elroy and Hillsboro around 7:05 p.m. Wanna walk around 7:10 p.m. Richland Center around 7:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Johnson Hill, Big Spring, Highway 80 and County CC, Gillingham, Trippville, Neptune and County Roads E and Z. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Adams, Juneau, Richland and Vernon. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ86 in La Crosse, or